Welcome to HTML tutorial, and this lesson is Introduction in HTML. Basically, we can define HTML like language that we use to create web pages. And almost every page on the internet is written in this language called HTML. Important to understand is that HTML is not programming language. That means we cannot create dynamic functionality with HTML like with other programming languages, for example JavaScript. But with HTML we can organize content in web pages, and for that purpose we use HTML tags and attributes to define how specific page looks like. Okay, let's see basic structure of every HTML document and see meaning of these lines. First line, doc type declaration is required in every HTML document and represent information to browser which version of HTML we use. HTML element is the root element of HTML page. Head element contains meta informations about document, like title, included styles, scripts, and other meta informations. Title element specifies title of document. Body element contains all content of HTML document, like headings, paragraphs, images, tables, etc. H1 HTML tag is usually used like page title, and its first header visible on the page. And the paragraphs we use to define text content on the page. In the next lessons, we're going to introduce with important parts of HTML and how to apply HTML in web pages. That's all for this lesson. Thank you for watching and see you next time.